small results day talk video. Either you're a student who's super happy or you're a student who's disappointed. I have got tips for both of you on what you should be doing next. I'm Megha Vansali, ACCA and the Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. Flashback 10 years down, 2014 is when I also cleared my CA examination. So I can so relate to all the students who are very happy, jumping out of joy, and who are like, yes, I have achieved a lot of success. I can so relate to each one of you and wishing you all the very best and congratulating each one of you. If you belong to that category and are wondering what to do next, then guys, it's very clear you need to figure out your career path, your career goal next. If you still haven't, you need to figure out what is the area of field that you need to work upon. For example, accounting, auditing, taxation, advisory. Do you want to study further? What do you want to do next? So you need to figure that out. And if you are someone who is looking out for a job, looking out for an opportunity, and want to upskill your interview skills, then guys, don't worry. I'm coming up with a workshop focusing on interview skills, interview preparation. So we are going to be discussing how to craft a perfect CV. And guys, just in 2 to 5 minutes using AI. Second, we would be discussing how do you leverage LinkedIn for networking so that you can get a lot of job referrals, and it can also help you figure out the kind of profile you want to get in. And third, we would be discussing how to prepare for interview, again using AI. So this is a compact workshop specially focusing on CA students who have cleared their examination. This workshop will be conducted on 5th of January. For more details, you can drop a comment below or you can reach out to me on this number and I'll share all the details with you. So if you have cleared, then you know you need to figure out your career goals and aspirations. However, if you belong to another category where you would not able to clear your examination, then guys, I have few tips and suggestions for you. First of all, you need to make up your mind if CA is your course, if you want to pursue with CA itself. If that is your goal, that's your aspiration, then first and foremost what you should be doing is calling in for your answer sheet. So call in for your answer sheets to figure out where you have gone wrong. Lot of times it is very difficult to understand what mistakes we are making, and you as an individual might not be able to do that. So please take help of a tutor, of your mentor, of your CA friends, or any kind of person whom you can reach out to. You can also reach out to me if you're looking for mentoring. So they will be able to help you to understand where you have gone wrong. With all my mentoring experience, there are 3 main areas where students go wrong in their answers. The first is conceptual clarity. First and foremost, itself, students don't have conceptual clarity. They feel they know the concept, but they actually don't. Second, they are not able to analyze the question correctly. Lot of times this applies to theory paper where they are not able to understand what the question is asking. Third, answer writing skills. They do not have good answer writing skills, time management. All of this is a major problem. So you can figure this out when you get your paper evaluated, because guys, this paper you have written in an exam setting in a 3-hour pressure scenario. So that paper is a good paper to be analyzed versus your practice paper. So please get this done so that you can figure out where you're going wrong and you can correct yourself in the next attempt. So if that is your goal, CA is your goal, then please go ahead and please make sure you work hard so that there is a CA tag in your next attempt. However guys, if you are confused, you're wondering what to do next, if CA is the course, you're doubting yourself, you're wondering what are the alternative career options, you can reach out to me. I can provide you a free consultation wherein we can figure out together what should be your next step. Should you pursue CA? Should you pursue any other course? So we can discuss all of that. You can reach out to me. Again, if you want to reach out to me, you can drop a comment below, or this is my number and you can reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help and guide each CA student out there. So guys, I hope you found these tips useful. You can drop a comment below on how you found the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for a lot of updates. please don't forget to like my video and share it with more of your friends. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.